How to see conversation history on ChatGPT. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can see your conversation history on ChatGPT. Now, if this is something that you are interested in, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC and there on your search bar, search for chat.openai.com and then press enter on your keyboard. And then make sure to get logged into your account. Once you get logged into your account, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. And at the left side of your screen, you will be able to see all the topic that you have searched for, which is your conversation history on ChatGPT. And if you're using your mobile, then you have to tap on three dots at the top left corner of your screen. And there you will find all the topics that you have searched for. You can tap on any of this topic and there you can overview that topic. You can also edit that topic by tapping on this pencil icon, and also you can delete this conversation by tapping on this trash bin. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can see conversation history on ChatGPT. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.